The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling. As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together. This vision that we share is ours. Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling.
Silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Feel the wind touch our face. Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape, let's escape. Let's escape. hold you close through the night. I won't let go until the sunrise. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Wave goodbye to your city life, and say hello to the desert sky. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape.
Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment below for what you think for this kind of video. Do you prefer this style of mostly time-lapse with just some thought process, or rather a longer video with most of my thought process? And also, just do you guys enjoy these template videos since they're a lot more easier to make? And just please leave a comment of what you think and other suggestions. I'll also be making another paper butterfly knife video where I use this template, so if you want to watch that, make sure you're subscribed. Another thing is the latch in this actually still doesn't work that extremely well, but to some extent it still works, so just keep that in mind when using it. You'll probably be able to see it in the upcoming video. So other than that, the template can be found in the description below, and like, comment, share, subscribe, and make sure to use code DATFISH when purchasing from the Epic Game Store, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.